Preparation is the foundation of effective incident handling. Without proper planning, security teams may struggle to detect, contain, and recover from cyber threats. In today's evolving threat landscape, where attacks happen every 39 seconds on average, being prepared is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. Organizations that invest in proactive security measures can significantly reduce incident response time, minimize damage, and ensure business continuity. Cyber threats have evolved from simple viruses to ransomware, insider threats, and nation-state attacks. Without a solid preparation strategy, organizations often react too slowly, allowing attackers to cause extensive damage. The average time to detect a breach is around 200 days, and by then, attackers may have already stolen sensitive data or disrupted operations. Consider the WannaCry ransomware attack in 2017. It spread across 150 countries in a matter of hours. Organizations with strong backup strategies and security awareness training managed to recover quickly, while those unprepared suffered massive financial and operational losses. This highlights why preparation is more than just an IT function. It's a business necessity. A well-structured incident response plan, IRP, serves as a step-by-step guide on how to handle security incidents. It helps organizations respond efficiently and reduce confusion during a crisis. An IRP should include incident classification and severity levels. Define what constitutes a low, medium, high, or critical security incident. Roles and responsibilities. Clearly outline who does what in case of a cyber attack. Communication and escalation procedures. Establish internal reporting guidelines and define who to contact, including executives and legal teams. Legal and compliance considerations. Ensure compliance with frameworks like NIST, ISO 27001, GDPR, and HIPAA. Testing and drills. Conduct simulated cyber attacks to test response effectiveness. Incident response is a team effort. A well-trained incident response team, IRT, plays a crucial role in minimizing cyber threats. The IRT typically consists of incident manager, oversees the entire response process and makes high-level decisions. Security analysts, investigate threats, analyze network traffic, and identify attack patterns. Threat intelligence specialists, monitor cybercriminal tactics and emerging threats to stay ahead of attackers. IT and security engineers, contain and mitigate threats by applying security patches and isolating affected systems. Legal and compliance experts, ensure incident handling meets regulatory requirements and help with legal reporting obligations. Technology plays a key role in preparation. Organizations should deploy advanced security tools to detect, prevent, and respond to cyber threats in real time. Some of the most important tools include security information and event management systems. Collect and analyze logs for real-time threat detection. Intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDS/IPS, monitor network traffic for signs of malicious activity. Endpoint detection and response, EDR solutions. Detect and investigate threats on individual devices. Threat intelligence platforms provide real-time insights into emerging cyber threats. Automated incident response tools help automate response actions, reducing human intervention time. Backup and disaster recovery solutions ensure organizations can restore critical data quickly after an attack. Preparation is the most critical step in the incident handling process. Organizations that invest in planning, training, and the right security tools can respond quickly and effectively to cyber threats. Without preparation, even the best security teams can struggle when a real attack occurs. In the next lecture, we'll explore Step 2, Identification, where we'll discuss how to detect and classify security incidents before they escalate. Stay tuned.